In this video, we'll explore the Magento 2 dLocal Payment Gateway extension, a secure and efficient solution that lets admins accept payments in multiple currencies through cards, bank transfers, and cash tickets. It also supports both guest and registered users with direct refund options for admins. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcol.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. We are now on the Magento admin panel. From the left navigation bar, go to dLocal and click on Configuration. Scroll down and locate the dLocal Payment Method section. Here, you can select the environment as either Sandbox or Production based on your requirements. Enter the X login credentials, X trans credentials, and secret key obtained from dLocal. Next, under Payment from Applicable Countries, choose whether to allow payments from all allowed countries or specific countries. If you select specific countries, you can choose the countries from which payments will be accepted. Next, there is a Card Payment, Credit, Debit section. From here, you can enable card payments by selecting Yes. To disable it, select No. You can also enter the title for the card payment. The next option is Payment Type, where you can choose between redirect or direct modes. We'll discuss these options in detail later. Moving forward, there is a Cash Ticket Payment section. The admin can enable this option by selecting Yes to allow cash ticket payments on the front end, or select No to disable it. You can also enter the title for the cash ticket payment here. Next is the Bank Transfer Payment section. The admin can enable it by selecting Yes or disable it by selecting No. You can also enter the title for the bank transfer payment. For now, the payment type is set to Redirect. We'll first see how this looks on the front end, and later we'll switch to the direct payment type to explore its flow. Now, let's navigate to the front end. Add any product to the cart and click on Proceed to Checkout. Click on Next. Here, we can see the available dLocal payment methods, such as dLocal Card Pay, dLocal Cash Ticket, and dLocal Bank Transfer. Customers can choose any of these payment methods to complete their purchase. For now, we'll proceed with dLocal Card Pay. Select the desired dLocal payment method and click on Place Order. Since the payment mode is set to Redirect, the payment will be processed on the dLocal Sandbox payment page. Enter your card details, then click on Confirm Payment to complete the transaction. As you can see, the payment has been approved. Now, click on Back to Merchant Site to view the successful order. Here, we can see that the order has been placed successfully. Click on the order ID to open it. You'll find the product details along with the payment information. Once the cron job runs, the invoice will be processed automatically. Now, let's navigate back to the admin panel and change the payment type to Direct. Then click on Save Config, and the confirmation will be saved successfully. Now, let's move back to the front end to check the direct payment type. Click on Reorder and proceed to Checkout. In the case of direct payment type, users can enter their card details directly on the same page and click on Place Order to complete the purchase. Similarly, if users choose the dLocal Cash Ticket payment method, they can select the available dLocal payment options and complete the payment on the dLocal payment page. As you can see here, this is a sample ticket for cash payment in the Sandbox environment. Click on Pay to see what happens when the payment is made. You can also click on Expire to test an expired payment, or click on Return to test the return flow. Since this is the Sandbox mode, both the Expire and Return buttons are visible. In production mode, only the Pay button will be shown. Now, click on Pay. The payment is approved. Next, click on Return. And our order has been placed successfully. Now, click on the order ID to view the order details. Here, you can see that the payment mode is dLocal Cash Ticket. In the same way, you can select the bank transfer payment method and complete the payment process. Refresh the page to view the invoice. As you can see, the invoice has been generated. Once the cron job runs, the invoice is processed automatically. Now, let's navigate back to the admin panel to check the order details. Here, we can see the generated invoice. Click on View to open it. From here, the admin can process a refund directly to the dLocal payment method by clicking on the Refund button. The refund is then processed successfully, and you can view it under the Credit Memos listing. Navigate to the Transactions section to see the payment and refund transaction IDs. You can also view the comment history, which includes details about the payment and refund activities. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webcol.com or raise a ticket at webcol.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.